Really, we're accepting this on behalf of the whole group and the suffering everyone's gone through. And if it helps me, take our battle forward, the case that we've still got to fight, then, wonderful. It's great. It's a real honour from that point of view.
What was that like for you to see Sir Alan honoured in this way?
It was a lovely confirmation of the honour, obviously, and a reaffirmation of how amazing the journey has been, really, for Alan and for myself as well.
You're a team?
Oh, very much so. Yeah, no show without punch, as they say. No. But no. It's been too many years we've been working together on all of this, and I might have been up at the front, but Suzanne's always been there supporting from behind. So it's been great.
Not leading a normal life, really.
No,
have we?
no.
It's very different to.
Especially
what we
more
thought
so
we
now,
could do.
yeah.
Yes.
Especially more so nowadays. It's being in the public eye isn't really key to what we're doing. We've still got a long road to travel. We've got to get money, and we've got to get these schemes finished by the end of March next year. They can't be allowed to drag on for years and years again, and there's no reason they can't. It's just the bureaucracy driving them into the ground again.
And on that March deadline, have you had any movement from the government on that?
No, I since the new government's come in, I've not heard a word from them about the schemes or anything. So, we'll just drive our message forward, and with the support of the rest of the group and other MPs if need to. But, we can't let it lie. We can't let it carry on. We've got to get sorted.
Are there any other avenues you can go down if they don't, if they agree to the deadline or not, that you could pursue legally or not? I suppose the legal side is part of the problem.
Well, yeah. There are potential legal avenues we could take, but it's going to then be another year, 18 months for the group. But if we can't get these things resolved shortly, if we can't get a affirmation from them of a March 2025 deadline, then we may as well follow these other routes. And I know we've got the support of the nation behind us. And if we need to fundraise for a court case, we will.
Fundraise for a court case for legal action to get financial redress finally through?
For everyone, yeah. And it seems that it's not just our scheme that's suffering. It seems a lot of these other schemes, according to the inquiry yesterday, the findings of that. So, we just got to keep pushing forward and taking the message out there again, and just keep driving it.
Nick Reed has stepped down from the post office,
Yeah.
or he's going to. Do you think the post office is heading in the right direction now? Are you confident in the management?
No, never have been. It's known that I have quoted that I think post office is a dead duck, and I think it is in its current format in there. It needs major capital investment. There's a wonderful network of hard-working individuals running these post offices around the country, but it needs a fresh direction. It needs a new impetus brought into there, and serious capital. And I don't think that's something government should be involved with. I think funding should be found from outside. And as I've said before, it should be sold off for £1 to someone like Amazon, not actually Amazon, who will be able to take it on board.
Have you reflected on the fact that it was only a few years ago that Paula Venables was honoured? Does this feel a bit like history rewriting itself in the right way?
I think, as I'm taking this on behalf of all of the group, then I think we deserve it, unlike she did, and who drove the business into the ground and brought it into such disrepute.
Alan has said there that the fight is not over, so will you still be in the background there
I will
supporting?
Still, yes. We'll be having future meetings with the campaign group, the sub-postmasters, ex-sub-postmasters, and I'll be there offering tea and coffee and words of wisdom and backing him up as ever.
Congratulations to both
Thank
of
you very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.